It says on the bottles that Timotei Intense Repair Shampoo and Conditioner infused with natural avocado oil extracts will repair and nourish dry and damaged hair, making it smooth and soft. Timotei products are very affordable and they are available online in my country. Both shampoo and conditioner have creamy consistency. The scent of them mild and pleasant. Well, let's try them out. Right after using this shampoo and conditioner, my hair already felt so soft. Also, they made my hair smell wonderful indeed. I just air dried my hair. Well, I really like how these products made my hair silky. Honestly, I wasn't really expecting that much considering the price of them. I had no trouble detangling my hair because Timotei shampoo and conditioner made my hair very manageable. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye bye.